In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or archive an extra account on Exness platform. So if you started using your Exness platform, currently I'm on the dashboard inside the Exness personal area, and you actually went to trading and then accounts, and then here on the real and demo accounts, you created a lot of these accounts over here, and now you have these extra accounts you don't use, and you simply want to delete or archive them. Let me show you how to do this. For real accounts over here, confirm that your account you want to archive has a zero balance and is not currently set as your active account. Now, once you've done this, you can just go to the right, click on the three dots, and then from here, click on archive. It's going to get removed, as you can see, and now you can scroll to the bottom, and you can see you have archived accounts. If you show these, they're going to be over here, and as you can see, I have like a bunch of different ones I have archived in the past. Now, over here, of course, this is not going to bother you. It's hidden down here at the bottom, so it's essentially just like it was deleted, okay? Because it doesn't bother you up here, and you don't have to use it. Now, from here, if you go to demo, you could also go and archive a demo account. Click on here, click on archive, and it's going to go down here to the bottom, okay? Now, I do think that archived accounts actually get deleted when it comes to demo accounts at least. So these accounts on MT5, Exness, or MT4 are going to likely get deleted after some time of inactivity here inside the archive section. So if you have any archived accounts for a long period of time, they may get deleted and you won't be able to see them anymore. And that's kind of the only way to get completely rid of them, okay? But if you just want to get them away from your account list over here, archiving them is going to be the best way. And now you can find them down here, but if you don't want to see them, they're not bothering you, you can just go and hide them anyways, okay? So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.